What's up, guys? So I'm here outside of Home Depot. I'm about to show you guys this really sweet flip hack. So we had a small issue where it required these $100 vents here from Home Depot. See, I already used everything and got everything dried up. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to return these things because I don't need them. And now we're gonna go get our money back real quick. So this is a sweet flip hack. You can use things without renting it and wasting and spending a lot of your money and keeping it tied up in rentals. All you need to simply do is use it, keep it in good condition, and take it back. So watch this. We're about to take it to Home Depot. I got 2 of these bad boys. Right? So I got 2 of these. These are $100 each. Let's go see if we can get our money back. Watch. Excellent. All right, so after using those vents for over the weekend, I simply brought them back and got my money back just like so. Looks like we got a total of $300 back because I had one other thing to return. But that is an easy flip hack for you guys at home. A quick and easy way to use tools for free. All right, that's how you use Home Depot tools for free, just like that. You just your boy.